In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a badge to LinkedIn. If you've recently earned a badge or certification, adding it to your LinkedIn profile is a simple but important way to make your accomplishments more visible. It helps recruiters, clients, and professional connections quickly recognize your skills, and it also adds credibility to your profile when the information is complete and easy to verify. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your profile page. Once you're there, look just below your profile picture for the Add Profile section button and click on it. This area is where LinkedIn lets you add new professional details to strengthen your profile. After that, expand the Recommended tab. Inside this section, you'll find several options for improving your profile, and the one you want is Licenses and Certifications. Select that option to open the form where you can enter the details of your badge. Now it's time to fill in the required information carefully. In the name field, type the exact title of the badge or certification. It's a good idea to match the official wording exactly as it appears on the credential, since this helps avoid confusion and makes your profile look more accurate and professional. Next, enter the issuing organization. This should be the company, institution, or platform that awarded the badge. Be sure to choose the correct organization name so the credential is clearly connected to its source. Then add the issue date and, if applicable, the expiration date. These dates help people understand when the certification was earned and whether it is still current. If your badge does not expire, simply follow LinkedIn's available options for that field and make sure the information reflects the credential correctly. You'll also see fields for the Credential ID and Credential URL. In the Credential ID field, enter the unique identification number if one was provided. In the Credential URL field, paste the direct link to the verification page for the badge. This step is especially useful because it allows recruiters and anyone viewing your profile to confirm that the badge is authentic. Before saving, take a quick moment to review everything for accuracy. Make sure the title is spelled correctly, the organization is right, and the dates and verification details are complete. A small review now can prevent mistakes later. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your badge will now appear on your LinkedIn profile, making your achievements easier to showcase and verify.